What's up everybody, welcome to the video. My name is Keith. Today's video, we've got this Itron Intelis FGBB03 DB. This is a gas meter and I'm going to show you how to get a meter reading on this particular meter. So one thing to know about this is the screen goes off very quickly when you're doing it. So ideally, it's sort of easy if you have a phone, get a camera ready so you can take a photo of your meter reading rather than having to do the process over and over again. So just a heads up for that. So here we are here. We have the screen here which you need to look at and then these two buttons. So what you need to do is hold this orange button. It'll then beep and then this is it here. This is your meter reading. So that ends in M3. So this is a pay-as-you-go meter that it's on, and then sort of if you press it again, it'll come up and it'll scroll between different things. So your balance, what's there, emergency credit, and then you can sort of scroll through these ones here. And that tells you your balance and your meter reading. Like I said, the screen will go off very quickly. Not as quick as last time, but there we go. And then obviously you just press it again to get in and scroll through the options. Hopefully that helped you. If it did, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any other questions about this meter, because it's the first time that I've come across this one as well, let me know and I'll look into it and do a video for that. But yeah, until next time, see ya.